Hello and welcome. Let's talk about what you can buy with VA guaranteed home loans. Now, don't go away if you haven't worn the uniform because you may still be eligible, so stay with me. I am Ron Pieper. I am the principal real estate broker for Veteran Realty located here in Virginia. I want to start by mentioning the categories of people who may be eligible for that VA guaranteed home loan. And eligibility depends on specific factors pertinent to each individual, but generally these are the categories: surviving spouses of former military service members, former cadets and midshipmen of the service academies, Go Navy, officers of the Public Health Service and of NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, National Guard veterans, reservists, and of course, active duty and former veterans. If you fit into one of these categories, you may be eligible for a VA guaranteed home loan. Now, what real estate can you buy with that loan? First of all, there needs to be a residence either at the time of purchase or one that you will eventually build, and you need to live in it. That real estate needs to be in the U.S. or its territory, so no real estate in other countries can be bought. And here's what you can buy. You can buy, with a VA guaranteed home loan, single family detached homes. These can be either move-in ready or fixer-uppers. Townhomes, and these too can be either move-in ready or fixer-uppers. And by the term fixer-upper, I mean residential properties that may need only slight improvements or even ones that need heavy renovations. Okay? You can buy a condo residence that is approved by the VA. So safety tip for you here. Before signing a contract to buy a condo, ensure it's on the VA's list of approved condos. If it isn't, it's still possible to get it added, but either way, it will need to be VA approved in order to receive a VA guaranteed home loan. All right. You can build your own home with a construction loan. So when the home is constructed and you have that certificate of occupancy, you then work with your lender to convert that loan to a home loan. The land on which you're building your home can be included in that purchase as long as it's a package deal with a home construction plan. All right. So land alone without a planned home construction project is not eligible. Refinancing. Now, technically, refinancing isn't a loan in this sense, to use to buy that home, but it is a product you can use in a couple of really valuable ways. You can use it to convert a non-VA guaranteed loan to a VA guaranteed loan. And when you convert like this, you may be able to lower your interest rate and avoid paying costly mortgage insurance every month. And then you can also tap into that equity for some cash out. You can refinance an existing VA guaranteed loan to lower your interest rate. So when doing this, you can draw out cash on that equity as well. VA guaranteed home loans can be used to buy manufactured homes. And I find this term awkward because all homes are manufactured in some fashion. But the term manufactured home in our industry refers to mobile homes pretty much. You can buy modular homes too. Modular homes are homes where portions like walls and roofs are built offsite and then brought to the construction site and assembled to finally build the home. Okay. You can buy multi-unit properties that consist of no more than 4 residential units. So you must occupy one of those units. And I suspect you would rent the other ones out to tenants and make some money for yourselves. You can buy a farm with a farm residence loan. Yes, you can buy a farm as long as there's a residence included and you're going to live there. There's also the energy efficient mortgage you can use to change or add energy efficient features to that home. Now, that's not a home loan for the purchase of residential property, but it's an add-on or a supplemental loan that you can obtain in conjunction with a home loan to cover those additional costs you expect to incur when you're installing or implementing energy efficient components to that home. You can assume a seller's VA guaranteed loan. That loan would then be yours, of course, so you're fully liable for it. But one of the benefits in assuming a seller's loan is that you may be able to keep their interest rate. That's good if their interest rate is lower than what lenders are currently offering you, and that can save you a lot of money. There's the alteration and repair loan, and this is a good one for fixer-upper situations. You get this loan in conjunction with a home loan, so it doesn't cover the purchase of the actual home loan, but those additional funds you receive are dispersed to contractors you hire to implement or conduct those alterations and repairs after you purchase the residence. The VA also has the Native American Direct Loan that can be used to buy or even build, improve, and refinance a home on federal trust land. And there's another important point I want to share. Using one of these loans can insert some procedural matters in real estate transactions that can present opportunities and risks. So I recommend working with a real estate agent who's familiar with VA programs, and definitely work with a lender who's well versed with VA programs. Not all lenders work with all VA programs. Many do, but lenders get to choose what they offer and what they don't offer. And because of that, I recommend consulting with more than one lender so you can then compare and then select a lender that works best for you. And your real estate agent should be able to introduce you to some good lenders as well. There's a lot you can do with VA guaranteed home loans, and I wish you the best of success in using them. Thank you so much for listening. Cheers.